Hello and welcome. Earlier on a Friday, the Barbados Meteorological Service discontinued its small craft advisory. Meanwhile, the northerly swells are becoming less powerful across the eastern Caribbean. However, we still have some Saharan dust on the horizon and be watching that approaching over the next few days. So let's first of all take a look at the swells as we go across the eastern Caribbean. The swell heights around the Barbados are now lower, just around 2.5 meters, mainly along the northern and the northeastern coastlines. This northeasterly swell has a period of 11 seconds. That means for us here, for our fisherfolk along the Atlantic coasts, you'll meet that swell arriving every 11 seconds from Speyside down towards Mayaro. Now looking at Trinidad and Tobago, today was fair at times, breezy, although a couple of brisk showers were seen, particularly across Tobago and northeastern Trinidad. Our atmosphere is drying out, however. Low-level moisture and instability is pulling away from Trinidad and Tobago, so we should remain fair and cool as we go through Saturday. Now, this surface to low-level shear line will linger over the central windwards as this Atlantic low-pressure system shifts towards the north. Meanwhile, we're seeing more frontal systems leaving North America, passing north of the Lesser Antilles, and as January nears, some of those fronts can reach lower latitudes at times, bringing cooler nights, especially down towards where we are. But for now, we still have some Saharan dust in the air, some mild concentrations, but midway between Africa and the Caribbean, however, there's a Saharan air layer showing a thick plume, coloured orange, moving towards the southwest, towards South America. So by Monday, we could look for moderate concentrations over Guyana as well as Trinidad. So if you have respiratory issues, take note of that Saharan dust at the beginning of next week. Now, following a Friday, we've seen quite a bit of activity, particularly across Tobago, across Piarco. Today's high was 31 degrees Celsius, and currently it's now 28 degrees Celsius. And of course, in Tobago, it was 30 degrees Celsius, and currently it's now 29 degrees Celsius. Now, for Tobago tonight, it's clear and cool with 1 or 2 showers in a few areas. Expect a minimum temperature of 24 degrees Celsius nationwide, although the thermometer could drop a degree or 2 lower than 24, especially in those valleys along the northern range, places like Maracas, Santa Cruz and Lopino. Now, heading into Saturday, no changes are forecast. Fair conditions continue this weekend, mostly sunny and breezy, though as the daytime heating warms the hillsides, look for those occasional showers, possibly over the northern range. Saturday's maximum temperature, 31 degrees Celsius, will feel like 33. Now, the weekend continues sunny and breezy on a Sunday. Look for some Saharan dust at moderate concentrations, though, through Monday and into early next week. So next week begins under some hazy sunshine, interrupted at times by some occasional showers. Now, for mariners, you can expect moderate seas with waves of 1.5 to 2 meters, but below 1 meter, especially in those sheltered bays. High tides will be at 6:54 a.m. and at 6:21 p.m., with your low tides at 12:22 a.m. and 12:15 p.m. So this mainly sunny and breezy weekend is one for painting and yard work, so get going as we only have a few more days left until Christmas. That's your weather, and that's it from me.